everyone. My name is Lux Counselling. I'm a registered trauma counselor by profession. I have been in my profession for close to a decade now. And in this decade, I've learned a few things. One of the things that I've learned is we still face a lot of mental health discrimination and stigma. People are still so scared to reach out for help or to seek help when they have a mental illness or a mental health condition that they are struggling with. And I'm here to normalize that. I think normalizing mental health conditions is one of my biggest goals. And that's why I founded Lux Counselling, is to try and really bridge the gap in also psychoeducating people about the different conditions that we face, and also just to normalize topics that are psychological. I feel like sometimes we get so taboo that we don't want to talk about any of these topics. So this has created a need in me that I'm very excited to tell you about. I have created a platform where I will be sharing lots of resources to help you with your mental health, and you will be one of the first people to find out if and when I'm running workshops, whether online or in person. Please, if you are keen to break the cycle and actually begin to heal, click the link in my bio. You will be subscribed to find out all about the good things that are coming. I've really worked really hard to try and develop some free worksheets that I'll be giving away to try and help people with their mental health. So if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, just click the link in my bio. I will also share the link in the comments, and in the comments just let me know, what topics would you want help with? What do you want to know more about? Otherwise, from me, I'm a registered trauma counselor by profession. Have a fantastic, fantastic day further. Peace.